Hey, 5th grade, Mr. May here. Today I'm going to be dividing 264 divided by 3. I'm going to solve this two ways. First way, using a ratio table, and the second way is going to be the standard algorithm. So, let's get to work. Using a ratio table, my goal is to get to 264. And I know that if I have one group of 3, I'd have 3. I'm going to make some jumps on my ratio table here so that I can get closer to 264. I'm going to start off by making a friendly jump, multiplying top and bottom by 10. I'd have 10 and 30. I love multiplying by 10 or dividing by 10 because it always gives me friendly numbers. Now from here, I'm going to multiply by 10 again. And when I multiply by 10, that gives me 100 groups of 3, which would be 300. Now I know that 300 here is too much. I went over my goal of 264, but still helpful. At this point, I am going to look to have 10. When I divide 10 in half, I end up with 5. And when I divide 30 in half, I end up with 15. Now, I know that I can get closer to 264 by subtracting on my ratio table. So I'm going to go back to 100 groups of 3 would be 300, and I am going to subtract 10 from that. I'm going to subtract 10 groups, and 100 minus 10 would be 90, and I'm going to look here and say, okay, if I subtract 10 groups, that means I need to subtract 30, and I know that 300 minus 30 is 270. Holy moly, I'm getting super close to my goal of 264. I need to subtract 6 away, and I know, because I'm a math fact master, that 2 times 3 is 6, and now I can subtract 2 groups from 90, and that would give me 88. And those are very ugly 8s. And if I subtract 2 groups up top, I am going to subtract 6 below. 270 minus 6 is 264. Now, I have reached my goal. Hooray, we are good to go. And I found my answer using that ratio table. My answer being 264 divided by 3 is 88. Now, I'm going to back out here a touch. I'm going to use the standard algorithm to help me solve this problem. So, here we go. Three divided by 264. Now, using that ratio table there, I know that if I multiplied by 100 here, that 3 by 100, it would send me well over that my goal of 264. I know, so I'm going to think about multiplying by 50. So if I multiply 3 by 50, that would be 150. And using the standard algorithm, I know that I need to subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4, 6 minus 5 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Now I still have 114 left over, and I know that I could multiply by 30. 3 times 30 would be 90, and that would take a significant chunk out of that 114. When I've got 114 there, minus 90, that would be 4. I'm going to borrow. That becomes 0. 11 minus 9 is 2. And I'm left with 24. Now, because I am a math facts master like yourselves, I know that we can multiply 3 by 8. That would give me 24. When I subtract, I have nothing left over. Now I'm going to look up here and find out that my answer is 8 plus 30 plus 50, which is a grand total of 88. And hey, that matches what we found on our ratio table. So with that standard algorithm, taking pieces or bytes out of that total with multiplication facts that we know.